Ask.
Hello guys, you are once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Greenland Forex. Today I would like us to talk about the bid and then ask price. Now we come across these terms a lot as far as trading is concerned, and a lot of traders find it confusing, categorically the up and coming ones. So without much ado, let's delve right into today's business. So basically, bid price is this price at which you can sell the base currency, and then ask price is the price at which you can buy the base currency. You know, as easy as this sounds, or as simple as this is, it is quite confusing. So this is like the theoretical aspect of it. Let's delve into the technicality of it, and let me show you the real deal. Okay, so whenever you open MetaTrader, it could be the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You have your currency pairs being presented to you. So this right here is a MetaTrader 5 PC version, or with the Windows version right here. So here you can see my currency pairs over here, and then you have this column for bid, and then we have this column for ask. Okay, so the bid here is the same as the bid price, and the ask here is also the same as the ask price. Okay, so now let's take into consideration the pair USD/JPY, that is the US dollar and then the Japanese yen. So we can see that the bid is 135.823, and then the ask is 135.824. Okay, so like we established earlier, we said that the bid price is the price at which you can sell the base currency, and the ask price is the price at which you can buy the base currency. And also keep in mind that whenever you see a currency pair, the first one is the base currency, and then the second one is the quote, and prices are always expressed in the quote currency. So now we've seen our currency pair. So let's say we are taking into consideration USD/JPY. Like I said earlier, the bid price is 135.823, and then the ask price is 135.824. And most of the times we get the ask price being bigger or huge than the bid price. So now what this means is that if I want to sell USD/JPY, buyers are willing to pay me 135.823 for every $1 that I have. You get the whole point. I'm saying that if I want to sell USD/JPY, buyers in the market are willing to pay me 135.823 for every $1 that I have. So on the contrary, if I want to buy USD/JPY as well, sellers on the market are asking me to pay 135.824 before I get $1. You know, this is simple, right? Yeah, this was simple, but then I tell you that as simple as this was, this has been confusing for a lot of traders, and then I hope that from now onwards you wouldn't find it confusing again. So thank you guys for giving me your time, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also leave a comment on what you want me to tackle as far as trading is concerned. Yeah, so same time, see you guys again. See you guys. Adios.